So this is question 6 from the 2016 Junior Cert Ordinary Level, Paper 1. And the question says, a shop sells 2 brands of orange juice, brand A and brand B as shown. Find the price per litre of brand A, i.e. the price of 1 litre of brand A. So brand A costs €3.60 for 2 litres. So if we want the price of 1 litre, we just divide 360 by 2. And that gives us 180. So 180 is the price per litre of brand A. Part B says, find which brand, A or B, is cheaper per litre and show all of your work. Well, we've done brand A, so now what we need to do is brand B. Now brand B is given to us in millilitres. So the first thing we need to know is that 1 litre is equal to 1,000 millilitres. You should know that conversion off by heart. So how much of a litre or how much of 1,000 millilitres is 750 ml? Now some of you will know straight away that it's 3/4, but if you didn't, you could just write 750 over 1,000 as a fraction and simplify that on your calculator, and that gives you 3/4. So if 3/4 of a litre costs 150, we want to know what a full litre costs, or 4/4. So we would divide our 150, divide it by 3, this 3, and times it by 4 to get the cost of a full litre. So 150 divided by 3, that's equal to 50 cents. And then we times that by 4, which gives us €2. And that's the cost per litre of brand B. So which is the cheaper brand? The cheaper brand is brand A, which is 180 as opposed to €2. Okay, moving on. Part C of the same question says, Samantha needs to buy at least 5 litres of orange juice. Find the lowest price that she could pay to do this. She can buy brand A, brand B, or a combination of both. And we have to justify our answer fully. So remember, brand A is only sold in 2 litre cartons. So brand A, 2 litres. Remember that costs €360. And brand B, which was 750 ml, costs 150. So how are we going to make up the 5 litres using combinations of these amounts? Well, we could just buy 3 cartons of brand A. So 3 cartons of brand A, so 3 by 360. And that is equal to 1080. That would be 6 litres, which is more than enough, and it costs 1080. What else could we do? We could buy 2 of brand A. So 2 of brand A, that would be 4 litres. So 2 by 360 is 720. We could make the rest up with brand B, but we'd need 2 of them because there's 750 ml, so we need 1 more litre. 1 would not be enough. So 2 of the 750 ml, so that's 2 by 150, which is €3. If we add the 3 and the 720, we get 1020. So that's cheaper than this one so far. How else could we do it? Obviously we want to be getting as much of brand A as possible because that's cheaper per litre. So let's say we get 1 brand A, so 1 at 360, which is obviously 360. Could we make the rest of that's 2 litres, could we make the other 3 litres up with brand B? How many of these would it require to make 3 litres? Well, 2 of these would be 1,500 ml, which is 1.5 litres. And if we double that again, that would be 3 litres. So that's 4 of brand B. 4 of brand B, so 4 by 150. And 4 times 150 is 6. So if we add that to the 360 above, we get 960. And that's definitely cheaper than these 2. So 960 would be the best combination and the lowest price. You could do it using all of brand B, but we know that we should be using at least some of brand A because that was cheaper per litre from the previous questions. And that's the end of question 6.